Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage tech support with Freshdesk, beginner guide. To get started with managing tech support using Freshdesk, visit the Freshdesk website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information such as your email, password, and company name. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Verify your email address to activate your Freshdesk account. Log into your Freshdesk dashboard using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Next, set up your support channels. Navigate to the admin panel from the left sidebar. Click on Channels to see available support options. You can enable email, chat, phone, and social media. For email support, configure your support email address. Freshdesk will provide instructions to connect your email. Set up automated ticket creation for incoming queries. Activate the chat feature if you want real-time support. Now, create your first support ticket manually to understand the process. Click on the Tickets tab in the dashboard. Select New Ticket to open the ticket creation form. Fill out the necessary details like customer name, email, and issue description. Assign the ticket to a support team member based on expertise. Next, explore the ticket properties to categorize and prioritize. Set the ticket status to open 4 active issues. To track responses, use the conversation section within the ticket. Respond to the customer directly through this section. Once resolved, change the ticket status to closed. To streamline responses, create canned responses for common issues. Go to the admin panel and select Canned Responses. Add common queries and responses to save time. Implement ticket automation to improve response efficiency. Navigate to Automations under the admin panel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.